Are you looking to find how to DM or direct message someone in Twitter or X app, where tweeting is one of the most popular activity in Twitter? But if you want to have private conversation, direct message is the way to go. But how do you DM someone in Twitter? Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's guide, it's gonna be about how we can DM someone in Twitter. Well, one thing you need to know is you can only DM someone if the person follows you. When someone is not your follower, it depends on their control settings, whether they have enabled receiving message requests from someone they don't follow, and so on. I'll also show you the settings for message request in this video. So let's begin. Open your X app. Now to DM someone, especially the followers, you can just click on this message icon at the bottom right corner. So let's choose someone. Let's click him. Alright, got it. Now you can start a message. Type your message, hey, and once you click this send, this message will be sent to this person. But what are the other options or settings that you need to be aware of when using DM? So if we go to this profile avatar at the top left corner and settings and support, from there settings and privacy, and there you have privacy and safety. Let's click on it, and here we have direct messages. Let's select it. Now allow message request from. If you have turned this to no one, only your followers can message you. But if instead you have turned this to everyone, everyone can message request you or send you DM. And same goes for verified users. If you only allow verified users and your followers to message you, this is the option you need to choose. And there are also other settings for audio and video calling, people in your address book, people you follow, and so on. Now you know how to DM someone in Twitter, and also what settings we need to be aware of when using DM in Twitter. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And for future video updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Until next time, bye bye.